I'm told we need to do some value stream mapping, but I'm not sure what it is. Have you heard of it before?
Yes, I have. It's a method for identifying and planning opportunities for process kaizen.
What's the difference between value stream mapping and process mapping?
Process mapping involves mapping any process, while value stream mapping involves mapping information and product or service flow for a given value stream. A value stream map always includes a timeline that shows value creating time versus total lead time.
Great explanation. Why do you think value stream mapping is important?
Value stream mapping allows organizations to target the right areas for process kaizen and to track, measure, and demonstrate the effects that process kaizen improvements will have.
Ah, I see. But how does value stream mapping work?
Current state value stream mapping allows an organization to identify waste and sources of waste, which uncovers many opportunities for improvement. Future state mapping identifies a lean future condition and the types of process improvements that need to be made to achieve it. Finally, an implementation plan is created to achieve the future state.
Awesome. What are the benefits of value stream mapping, and where can I learn more about it?
Value stream mapping allows an organization to systematically create a lean future state with less waste and plan the implementation of the future state. It improves the bottom line effectiveness of process kaizen activities since each activity will be leading to value stream improvement. If you want to learn more, I suggest you visit emsstrategies.com, the website of EMS Consulting Group. They taught me everything I know about value stream mapping.